Hi everyone, in today's GeoSnap, we're going to be going over how you can create an initiative in ArcGIS Hub. ArcGIS Hub initiatives are a premium feature that are used to connect multiple projects to organize efforts and resources towards a long-term goal. To get started, select the Create button from the top right-hand side of your ArcGIS Hub workspace and click on Initiative. Here's where you'll fill out the information for your initiative, starting with the title and then by choosing a catalog. For this example, I'm going to choose a Quick Start catalog, which will generate a group for me. You can also choose to use an existing group. After we filled out this basic information, we'll be prompted to choose groups to share this initiative with. This will determine who will have view and editing privileges. Members of view groups will be able to search and view the initiative, even if it's not shared publicly, while those who are members of shared update groups will be able to edit the initiative information. Once our initiative is created, we will click on Manage to edit the initiatives page. On our initiative details page, we are first going to add in a summary. Next, we're going to scroll down and add a thumbnail for the page. This will be seen on our workspace overview page. Once we've edited that image to how we like, we can scroll down and we have the option to set a location for our initiative. We can also add in a timeline with steps to highlight our initiative's progress. Finally, we have the option to customize our hero banner. This is what will be seen at the top of our initiatives page. We can either add a map or an image. Once you are done, you can scroll down and click on Save. From here, we can go ahead and view our initiative. And that's it. Now we've created an initiative in ArcGIS Hub.